Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here, and happy Friday, June 9th. We are about 1 week into the preseason qualifiers for the 2023 World Championship of 3D CAD speed modeling. And I'm excited to announce that we already have 11 people registered, representing 6 different CAD systems. So we have people using SolidWorks, people using onshape, people using Fusion 360, we have some people using Inventor, some people using CATIA, and some people using ansys Space Claim. So very exciting time here in the preseason before we get into the tournament. And I'm also excited to announce that in this totally free to enter tournament, we're gonna have some pretty nice prizes. First place is gonna win $500 USD. Second place is gonna win $250 USD, and third and fourth place are gonna win $125 USD. Now, those prizes are gonna be paid out in the form of gift cards, either Amazon gift card or a Google gift card, whichever the winner prefers. But if you're out there and you're interested in being a part of this tournament, you're gonna start out by going over to tootalltoby.com/leaderboard and doing what's called the June Leaderboard Speed Modeling Challenge. Basically, you are gonna be challenged to create these 3 models as quickly as possible. Good luck to everyone out there. If you want to watch some of the June Speed Modeling Challenge speed runs, I've posted the video for each of those runs here on the leaderboard, so you can take a look and see what kind of competition you might be in for during the tournament. And I'm very excited to see some more of these videos. Hope everybody has a great rest of their Friday, a great weekend, and I will catch up with everybody next week in the live stream.